No, boss said within 30 seconds. You have 30 seconds to kiss him next. So it's up to you, or do whatever you want to do for the 30 seconds.
Alright. Tony, I can do this.
Alright, I'm going to practice.
Practice what?
Calm down, easy. Alright, so, me I can ask you a question then, and I want to hear how you going to respond.
Alright, ask me a question.
Alright, me just. Alright, so, what more I do now is get up, walk over to me, like at the car, and you say everything you're supposed to say to get my attention.
Alright, I'm gonna do exactly what I do in our room.
Alright, no problem.
You know, you doing business?
Yeah man, baby girl. Yeah, my type too, you know. But here what? You have a spot, the more you come back. Come on.
Okay, then.
Alright, so the warm up is a blow job.
So you gonna just ask me just so?
Tonian, you're with majors. Answer the question.
Alright, ask me again.
You know me I go want a blow job.
Alright, take it out now.
But that don't sound like a big man, it sound like a picnic.
Alright, one more time.
You know me I go want a blow job.
Of course. Check it out.
Yeah, that sound like it.
Alright, I'm sure I can do this one. I can do this. Anyways, wanna hear nothing about Annie's?
Well, she's been recovered.
Wanna find her? She alright?
Yeah, some sort of way.
What you mean some sort of way? Them hurt her? Them do something to her?
Oh man, she good. She have a little scarf on her hand, but that's it. She good otherwise.
I can't imagine how she did feel. How traumatized she was. She did have her phone?
Yeah, her phone was safely kept in her arms. But here what happened now. She been assess some things, but to me, some things just not add up.
But Whisper, how she forget kidnapped and she have her phone?
May I ask the same question? But she'll stick to her story.
Wanna find the kidnappers? Or is she alone in the place?
Find the kidnapper, not the kidnappers. And you would have been surprised when I would eat.
Oh.
The same boy from up at Top Hill, the Yankee boy.
Me didn't know someone off with a brother there, you know? Him look like a criminal. I'm just hope him right in a jail.
Well, he in our prison I hold him now. Cause him there in him grave.
Him dead?
Yeah, savage and him have a face off. And him deal with him. Savage.
I can't wait to go back up at Top Hill. I need to see Annie's.
Here what? Concentrate on the apps we're gonna do now. Annie's, she's kinda alright for now.
Alright, you're right. Could take down majors.
That's it. Sleeper mode. Yeah.
Thank you, me Cornelia. Hello.
So behave, so you walk past him, sir.
I can't just put on my bag. Stop. I'm Mr. Jumpy. Hi, baby.
Alright.
You alright?
Let me ask you something. How old are brother there?
No, man. Angelos. And jealous, really jealous. Jealous again. You know, I never say it like this.